So, anybody ready for car unboxing number 2? One of the things that I love about coming to this Apple store in Manhasset is that there's always inventory, and I can come as early as 8 a.m. and pick up my product. I don't know, some people prefer to order and have it delivered. It's just the inconsistency of so many deliveries happening today that I don't want to deal with it. Just want to get my stuff right now. Alright, so we have a problem because I ordered the green one, which is in the bag, but the silver is gorgeous. The silver is fire. So, I don't know, I might have to make a change because the silver looks so elegant, but we'll see. Sadly, my Apple Watch order is not ready, and apparently they're not delivering any today, even for the people that did, so I'll have to be back for that, but let's get to work with the iPhones. Yes, today is Friday, September 20th, 2019, or as many of us like to call it, iPhone Day. Last year I did delivery. This year I decided I wasn't going to wait for the delivery guy. Went to the store, it went well for the most part. Apple Watch Series 5 wasn't technically ready. Have to go back for that, but I'll tell you this much, I don't think I've been this excited for the launch of an iPhone in a very long time, and it has to do with the video recording capabilities that are being promised here. I've been meaning to bring back those travel vlogs that I was doing in my personal channel, and I've been wanting to do them with a phone, and I think that these phones are going to be the solution. So let's do this. Let's start with the product red iPhone 11. I never really used the iPhone XR, so this will be my first experience giving it a try. The box is fairly standard for Apple, white rectangle with the phone's back being revealed. Peel the plastic cover and you'll see an interesting change, which is that the phone is now set to show its back in the box, and with no plastic protection. Under that, we have literature. It includes a SIM ejector tool if you ordered the unlocked iPhone, Apple stickers, and below that we have Apple's EarPods, which you won't care about because they're Lightning, the company's USB-A to Lightning cable, and the 5-watt charger that comes as a gift in every Cracker Jack box. Let's peel this plastic off. And man, I have to admit, I really do like this red and black finish. It looks fantastic, even if it's glossy. I find that the blend between matte in the camera lens and the gloss on the rest of the back looks gorgeous. But now for la creme of the creme, the iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green. Sorry guys, I am not a Max guy. 11 Pro is the right size for one-handed use, and it does a good complement with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The box has changed to a tone of black, also revealing the iPhone's back. You remove the plastic, and the experience is pretty much the same as we saw with the iPhone 11. Let's also remove this plastic. Below it, we have literature, the SIM ejector tool, and Apple stickers, and under that, EarPods, a USB-C to Lightning cable, and finally, a 15-watt fast charger, quote-unquote, which is pretty much the same one you get with the iPad Pro. Alright, I have to admit this midnight green is growing on me slowly. Somehow this matte finish seems more polished than other finishes I've seen from competitors. Also interesting, I didn't really order any cases from Apple because they're crazy overpriced. Instead, Razer sent me some of their ArcTech cases for iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. I know it's kind of odd for a competitor to make cases for iPhone, but here's a different alternative for those of you looking. So yes, we interrupt our regularly scheduled programming because I just got called by the Apple Store. Let's go pick up the watch. And now we've driven back. One of the major reasons why I wanted to get this iPhone, 4K video, 30 frames per second from the selfie camera, particularly for vlogging. Obviously, we do have 4K at 30 from the standard camera. Checking out a little of the stabilization. This is the wide angle, by the way. Now we're moving to the standard. And this is a telephoto. All right, this was quicker than I expected. We have the watch. Let's get to work. Alright, iPhone day is now complete. We have Apple Watch Series 5, and by the way, all the footage that you saw from the Apple Store right now was iPhone 11 Pro, no gimbal, only the stabilization from the camera. It is crazy good. Dynamic range is fantastic. I can't wait to continue giving it a try, but let's continue with the goods. First of all, a very interesting thing to note, if you've unboxed Series 4, the experience is exactly the same. Cover box revealing all the design options you can pick, you remove the plastic that covers that, lift the top and you have the watch without bands on the side. Literature on the other, and under that is the USB-A charging puck, and yet another Cracker Jack box 5-watt charger. Apple, seriously, you should be ashamed of this. Below it is the box for the strap that I picked, which I honestly don't use. I prefer my Apple Watch to match with the stainless steel link bracelet that I've been using for the past 4 generations of Apple Watch. So yes, this is iPhone day. I already set my devices up. Let us know in the comments what comparisons you'd like to see. We'll also have a poll in the community tab with more specifics on that. So far, what can I tell you? I wish that other manufacturers would give their product launches as much importance as Apple does with their iPhones. I feel the experience is great, and it just makes you feel like if you're being part of something important. I like the way the company does it. While you're at it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channels for more videos like this one. Also, follow me on my personal handles to see what I do with these phones in the real life. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.